Hi everyone. Today we are gonna start with export. I wanted to show you what's gonna be export short term with our beta pool happening, and then what will come in the future. I would also ask you to put down some comments. Let us know what you think is the best. I'm gonna ask you some questions within the video. So let's start with the beta that we have now already ready to go. So here it is the export, even if it seems like import. We wanted to keep the same familiarity on the design, but having a different flow. I have already a session behind me called Forte with the tracks on it. And I have two different flows to create stems super quickly. The first one is click create custom print here. Select the track that you see are on Pro Tools and are also here. Call them drums and create it. That's the first flow of doing it. The other flow is even faster. You need to go on Pro Tools, select the two tracks that you want, for example, bass. You click Command, Shift, and R, and you do the same for acoustic guitar, the guitars, Shift, Command, R. What you're gonna see is that we have two prints already here, thanks to the shortcut, which are bass, that I want to rename. We are gonna rename it also with our AI in the future. That's something that's gonna come. And acoustic guitars, as you see, they're already ready. So it's pretty quick and easy. Once you have done this, you have your free prints that you want to do. You click print selected, you add your name, mix source, type, method, which is automatically deciding if it is to be done offline or online, which kind of audio files you want, the format, etc., the location, which is bounce file. Then you need just to click print, and everything is gonna work. So if you see bounce file, what Pro Tools is doing is bouncing for us. Right now, being a beta, this page will be much better. I will show you in a moment. There will be things processing. You'll see what's happening, the length of the song, etc. And yeah, that's it. So the idea is that in really time of seconds, you manage to have your own prints. You see, we have the drums here, the bass is bouncing it, and then there will be also the guitar, which will be all separated. If you are a bit let's say careful, you will see that we are soloing the tracks that we need to print in that moment, and it's a pretty quick and fast process. You see the tracks, electric guitars down on Pro Tools, they are on solo. So that's how easy it is right now. This is going to be out really soon, and the target probably the 12th of May, if I'm not wrong. And then the target is bring you to our vision of export. So let's go to Figma. In the meanwhile, here is finishing. Let's wait 2 seconds more. Here we go. So the thing is done. Everything was done super quick and easy. Let's go to Figma now. If we go to Figma, we see that the first page is exactly the one that we saw. Create custom prints. You can decide to have stems which are grouped or individual tracks like here. You're going to see that from the format of the output file. This is one file stereo, and this is 48 files that are mono files, all separated. Like I want to have 48 tracks sequentially printed one after the other. The print settings will be a bit more beautiful from a front-end perspective, a design perspective, and also a bit more powerful. There will be also the start print. And the question here to you guys is, how should we organize this? Like we know that the DAW, some of them have the beginning and an ending of the print. So it's good to know how many bars. Maybe it's interesting to have. We have the mix source that you already saw, the type of file, and the meter, which will be automatically or online or offline. And the location is a big one. We can also upload things on cloud in the future. Let's see if something that is interesting for you, let us know. And once you click print, what you're going to see in the future that you couldn't see now because we are still in the beta is this view, which is going to show you the length of the song, peaks, clips. All about this, I would really love to have a feedback from you guys about this thing that I'm highlighting. What would you love to see there? So let us know in the comments. And the nice part of it is that you're going to see the process, when it's completed, what is not completed, what is bouncy, what's in queue, you can pause, etc. So that's it. That's how it's going to be. The nice part of it is that all the target that we have is that the AI is going to prepare some draft and, let's say, favorite mix that you can decide, like instrumental, a cappella, vocal, etc., automatically knowing and recognizing the audios for you. Is this something that you will feel like valuable for you? I think so. So the idea is that please let us know in that case. And finally, we are gonna add a view within the product that is not yet there, which will let you expand the prints without going to them. Right now, you see, if I click here, nothing happens. But if I click here, something will happen in the future, which is an expand, and you're going to check immediately what's in the every prints. And the final one is this one. There are two different types of prints in Forte. One is grouped, so all the tracks are grouped together and is one audio file. The other one is individual tracks. To let you understand much easily what it is without opening all of them, there will be this type with the different icons. So hopefully that will be helpful for you. So let us know what you think. This is a big thing. We are super happy to show you this right now, and let's go.